The second dimension of service management is information and technology. As with the other three dimensions, information and technology applies both to service management and to the services being managed. When applied to the service value system, the information and technology dimension includes the information and knowledge necessary for the management of services, as well as the technologies required. It also incorporates the relationships between different components of the service value system, such as the inputs and outputs of activities and practices. The technologies that support service management include, but are not limited to, workflow management systems, knowledge bases, inventory systems, communication systems, and analytical tools. Service management increasingly benefits from developments in technology. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other cognitive computing solutions are used at all levels, from strategic planning and portfolio optimization to system monitoring and user support. The use of mobile platforms, cloud solutions, remote collaboration tools, automated testing, and deployment solutions has become common practice among service providers. In the context of a specific IT service, this dimension includes the information created, managed, and used in the course of service provision and consumption, and the technologies that support and enable that service. The specific information and technologies depend on the nature of the services being provided and usually cover all levels of IT architecture, including applications, databases, communication systems, and their integrations. In many areas, IT services use the latest technology developments, such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and cognitive computing. These services provide a business differentiation potential to early adopters, especially in highly competitive industries. Other technology solutions, such as cloud computing or mobile apps, have become common practice across many industries globally. In relation to the information component of this dimension, organizations should consider the following questions. What information is managed by the services? What supporting information and knowledge are needed to deliver and manage the services? How will the information and knowledge assets be protected, managed, archived, and disposed of? Another key consideration in this dimension is how information is exchanged between different services and service components. The information architecture of the various services needs to be well understood and continually optimized, taking into account such criteria as the availability, reliability, accessibility, timeliness, accuracy, and relevance of the information provided to users and exchanged between services. The challenges of information management, such as those presented by security and regulatory compliance requirements, are also a focus of this dimension. Most services nowadays are based on IT and are heavily dependent on it. When considering a technology for use in the planning, design, transition, or operation of a product or service, questions an organization may ask include: is this technology compatible with the current architecture of the organization and its customers? Do the different technology products used by the organization and its stakeholders work together? How are emerging technologies such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things likely to disrupt the service or the organization? Does this technology raise any regulatory or other compliance issues with the organization's policies and information security controls or those of its customers? Is this a technology that will continue to be viable in the foreseeable future? Is the organization willing to accept the risk of using aging technology or of embracing emerging or unproven technology? Does this technology align with the strategy of the service provider or its service consumers? Does the organisation have the right skills across its staff and suppliers to support and maintain the technology? Does this technology have sufficient automation capabilities to ensure it can be efficiently developed, deployed, and operated? Does this technology offer additional capabilities that might be leveraged for other products or services? Does this technology introduce new risks or constraints to the organisation? For example, locking it into a specific vendor. The culture of an organisation may have a significant impact on the technologies it chooses to use.